Welcome back to CityBlade's tutorials. After the learnings from part 1 and 2, we now apply these skills to a backward power stride. To do this properly, you'll already need to know how to do a forward swizzle and a backward swizzle, and be comfortable skating on one foot forward on both feet. You can still do this move, but one foot bounce is tantamount to power skating. By practicing these power strides slow, you'll be able to learn one foot balance naturally anyways. Start this stride just like you would a forward with neutral arms. After the push, you'll lean your weight towards your skating foot and face your shoulders towards that hip. This twist is small and we'll focus more on the change of lean for power. These 1 foot C-cuts or alternating half swizzle pumps is the start of the backward power stride. Start these with a full C-cut motion with your body relatively centered. As your C-cut grows, so will your lean towards your skating foot. Remember, your arms come back to neutral when your feet collect to get ready for the next stride. Railing is a common theme for backward skating. You will need to feel comfortable bringing your feet back together to neutral arms for every single push. With your heels open and neutral arms, load your weight onto your pushing foot, just like forwards. Bend your knees and start your C-cut, but wait, this is a stride. So we need to hold momentarily after the first half of the push. This is when your weight centers over your skating foot. As you collect your pushing foot, stay leaning on your skating foot to get ready for the next push. Open the opposite heel and get ready for the next C-cut. Now we are in a backward power stride. Looks a lot like forward skating, doesn't it? Finish each power stride with a straight knee and a pointed toe, collecting the heels together while keeping your weight on the one foot. The better we can alternate our lean from one foot to another, the more power we can generate when we bend our knees and push your C-cut to a pointed toe. The C turns more into a 7 because we want our collect to be right after the push. A practice tip is to do one push at a time. Return to a 2-foot glide and neutral arms, increasing your knee bend and lean with every push. And always collect completely. Add in an elbow pump to help with rhythm for body memory and checking the push. Common mistakes include pushing harder with one foot. Keep everything symmetrical. Over twisting your shoulders to your hips, keep the shoulder movements minimal. And leaning too far forward or backwards. Keep the ball of your foot pressing on the front middle wheel. You'll make it to the toe wheel when you get the full push and a pointed toe with your stride. This does conclude the power skating introduction. The rest of the videos are going to be very pointed and specific skills. These videos were necessary to set a base for your push so that when we get to the edges and turns and crossovers, we'll be able to generate sufficient speed. Feel free to comment below with any questions or skills that you're having problems with, and be sure to subscribe so you can keep up on this tutorial series. And as always, stay active.